ask her, kill she tear your heart to pieces and eat it, no reason. Got venom in her lipstick, sadistic.